Everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp AI assistant for customer engagement in retail. So I run a retail business and want to create an AI assistant on WhatsApp to help my customers with product availability, order status and placing the order. So in this video I am going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can create an AI assistant for your business, which is going to handle customer queries 24/7 and going to provide them details on the basis of the knowledge base you have provided to it. So in this video, firstly we are going to create an AI agent, and after that if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this AI assistant for your WhatsApp, let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I will be showing you how to create an AI assistant for customer engagement in retail. So here you can see this is the AI assistant I have created for my retail business, and this AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains the details of my business. And this AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries 24/7 without the need of any manual intervention. So let's start building this AI assistant by just using Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving on forward for creating the AI assistant, I will be showing you the real working of this AI assistant. So for testing the real working of our AI assistant, you simply have to move to my WhatsApp and do a one-to-one conversation with my AI assistant. So here you can see I have opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here this number is saved as my test number, and my AI assistant is going to fetch the details from the knowledge base, and this is my knowledge base I have created for my business, which contains details of my business. So now let's enter a message that is, "Hey, I need help," which is the user's first message. So here I am going to enter this message that is, "Hey, I need help." And now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant and check whether it's responding or not. And now my assistant is responding here with a message that is, "Of course, what do you need help with? I am here to assist you." Now let's ask a question from our AI assistant and check whether it's responding correctly or not. Here I am going to enter this question that is, "Please provide the product details you offer." And now as I have entered this question, let's wait for the response of our AI assistant. And here my AI assistant is responding me with a message. And here it is asking me to select the category. So now let's select the category over here and check how my AI assistant is going to respond me. Let's say I want to know the details of home decor. So I will be entering home decor over here. Now let's wait for the response. And here my AI assistant has responded me with some of the categories of home decor. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant. Here I am entering this question that is, "Can you provide the pricing details?" Now let's wait. And here my AI assistant is responding me with a message that it doesn't have a specific price details available, but home decor items typically vary in the price based on the type and brand. So here my AI assistant is responding smartly. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question that is, "Are there any offers available right now?" And here my AI assistant is responding me with some of the offers. So here our AI assistant is working properly, and this is how the AI assistant works. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for reducing your manual workload. So for creating your own AI assistant, you just have to access Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly community, and Pabbly community is the platform where automation users, business owner and marketers gather to share their ideas, ask questions and discover latest feature of Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join Pabbly community, you can find the link in the description given below. Now let's move on to a Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to just click over the sign in as I have already an account on Pabbly. And once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products text provided by Pabbly. And as I have already told you that we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow for automation, we will be just using this app, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see we are getting the option for access now. So now let's select this access now button over here, and once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And moving on further, we are getting the option for create a new folder. So if you want to create your own folder, you can simply click over this button and create your own folder. And on the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and these features are inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the link in the description given below. And now, as we are going to create the AI assistant, you simply have to click over this AI assistant on the sidebar. And as you will click on the AI assistant, you will be landed to the AI assistant page, and here you can see these are the AI assistant I have created in my account. Now I am going to tell you the process of creating the AI assistant from scratch. For that, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and a dialog box will be appeared where you have to provide a name to your AI assistant. So now let's enter the name here, and here I am going to provide the name, that is Trendora Retail, which is the name of my brand. So here I have provided this name, that is Trendora Retail AI. Now you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and you will be successfully landed to the AI assistant page. So right before you, this is my AI assistant page. Now here it is asking me for selecting the instruction type over the AI instruction block. So from here you can select the AI instructions of your own. If you want to select the custom prompt, you can simply click over here and you will get a prompt instruction. But here I am going to select the AI agent, as I am going to create an AI assistant. And you can also select other agents like customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor. So now let's select our AI agent over here, and here you can see we are getting the AI agent instructions. So if you want to add your own instructions, you can also add it over here. Now further we are getting the next option, that is AI configuration, and in this AI configuration we are getting the option for temperature. So you might be thinking, what is this temperature doing over here in the AI assistant? So temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means focused and 1 means more creative. Means if you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. Now I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5. And the next block we are getting is for selecting the AI to use. So here I am going to select the AI, that is OpenAI. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the model. So I will be selecting the model, that is GPT-4o mini. You can select model based on you. Now as we are done with this, we have moved towards the API key. Now for getting the API key, you have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So basically here this is saying that you have to visit the OpenAI API's key page to get the API key. So now let's visit here, and here we are landed to our OpenAI API's key page. Now on this page you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So you simply have to click over here and you will be landed to this dialog box where you have to provide the name and the project name, and simply click over this create secret key button and your API token will be ready. But here I have already an API token, so I will be pasting it here. Now you simply have to click over this connect button, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up, that is OpenAI key saved successfully. Now we are getting the option for AI assistant settings. So from here you can manage some of the AI assistant settings. Means if you want to provide the header message or the footer message or the stop keywords, you can simply enable these options and enter the header message, footer message or the stop keywords. But I'm going to just disable all these, and further we are getting the option for retry attempt. So if you want to enter the retry attempts, you can enter it in the valid range, that is from 1 to 10. And retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, but I am going to just disable it here. Now further we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, so I am going to keep it as the same. Now let's configure our another block, that is knowledge source. So in this block we have to provide the knowledge base, which is a document which contains details of our business. So now let's upload our file, but you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt. So firstly you have to convert your document into .txt format. Now for converting your document to .txt format, you simply have to go to your docs where you have created your knowledge base, and now you simply have to click over the file, and after file you simply have to go to the download sections, and in the downloads you simply have to click over this plain text.txt, and your .txt file format will be downloaded. Now let's upload this file over here. So for that you simply have to click here and you will be landed to the page, and here on this download section you can see I'm getting this file that is about Trendora retail. So now let's select it and drag it over here, and here you can see as I have dragged the file, I am getting this pop-up that is file uploaded and processed successfully. And you might have observed that as soon as I have uploaded my file, I am getting this name and the vector ID. As we are done with the knowledge source, let's configure the assistant interface, and on this assistant interface it is asking me for header display or the heading name. So I am going to provide my brand name as the heading. So here I have provided the heading name, that is Trendora retail, and this name is appearing over the heading of the preview of the chatbot. Now further we are getting the option for subheading name, and here we are already getting a subheading that says we are online and happy to assist you, which is appearing over the header below the heading name. Now we are getting the option for initial message. So from here you can provide the initial message. Let's say I am going to enter an initial message that is hello, and here you can see this initial message is appearing over the preview of the chatbot. So in this way you can add initial message of your own, but I am going to keep only one initial message, so I will be removing this. Now further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display the powered by Pabbly label, you can simply enable it, and here you can see it is appearing over the preview of the chatbot. But if you want to disable it, you can simply click over this disable, and here you can see the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I am going to keep it as enable. Now further we are getting the option for footer text. So if you want to provide a footer text, you can enter it over here. Now we are getting the footer link option, so you can provide footer link here. Now at last we are getting the user's first message option. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user, and here we are getting the user's first message as I need help, but I am going to convert it as hey I need help. So here I have entered this user's first message, that is hey I need help. Now let's move on further and provide styling to our AI assistant. For that you simply have to click over the styling, and now we can customize the visual appearance of our chatbot. So in this styling section you can see it is asking me to select the theme mode. So if you want to select the theme mode, you can select it over here. Now let's select the theme mode as dark and check how our AI assistant will look like, and here you can see on the preview this is our AI assistant looks like in the dark theme mode, but I am going to keep it as light over here. Now further you can provide assistant shape to your AI. Now we are getting some of the properties for which you can provide the coloring. So if you want to change coloring of the properties of your chatbot, you can provide it here. Now at last we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to provide these kind of profiles, you can provide it here. So we are done with the styling of our chatbot. So in this video I have told you the process of creating the AI assistant. Now simply have to activate your AI assistant by enabling it, and now you simply have to click over the save AI assistant for saving it, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up, means our AI assistant has been saved. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant over your business, you can simply click over the embed button and you will get the script code. Now you simply have to paste the script code over your business and AI assistant will be embedded. Now let's test our AI assistant that it's working or not. So for that you have to move to my WhatsApp with me, but firstly I am going to show you how you can enable AI assistant in your chat. So for that you simply have to click over the inbox and you will be landed to the inbox section, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. Now on this particular number you can see I am getting an option that is for choosing the AI assistant. So you have to enable it, and from here you can choose the AI assistant. So here I am going to select the AI assistant, that is Trendora Retail AI, and here my AI assistant has been switched. Now let's move on to my WhatsApp for testing it. So if you remember, I have told you about users first message. So now let's enter the message, that is, hey, I need help. So here I have entered this message. Now let's wait for the response, and here my AI assistant is responding me. Now let's ask a question from our AI assistant to check it's working. Here I am going to enter this question, that is, are there any live offers? Now let's wait for response of our AI assistant, and here my AI assistant has responded to me. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant. Now here I am going to enter this question, that is, what products do you offer? Now let's wait for the response, and here my AI assistant is responding me with some of the product. And now let's check whether is this the data I have provided over my knowledge base. So now let's move on to my knowledge base for that. And here you can see my AI assistant is responding me with same data which I have provided in my knowledge base. So that's how AI assistant works. So you can also create AI assistants like this for enhancing your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.